Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza crust. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, warm water, active dry yeast, a pinch of salt, and a touch of olive oil. Ensuring your water is between 105 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit is key for activating the yeast properly. Precise measurements are important for a perfect dough, so have your measuring cups and spoons ready to go. Once your ingredients are ready, combine the flour, salt, and yeast in a large bowl. Gradually pour in the warm water and olive oil, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Now comes the fun part, kneading. Work the dough on a lightly floured surface for about 5 to 7 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it feels smooth and springs back slightly when poked. This develops the gluten for a chewy crust. After kneading, place your dough in a lightly oiled bowl, turning it once to coat. Cover it with plastic wrap or a damp cloth and let it rise in a warm spot for 60 to 90 minutes, or until it has doubled in size. Once risen, gently punch down the dough to release the air. Now, you can stretch or roll it out on a floured surface to your preferred thickness and shape for your pizza. Finally, it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to a high temperature, ideally between 450 and 500 degrees Fahrenheit, with a pizza stone or baking steel if you have one. Carefully transfer your shaped crust to the hot surface and bake for 8 to 15 minutes, or until golden brown and crispy. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade pizza.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.